Hello, Dan Lasser here with DK Lasser Landscape Maintenance, Washougal, Washington. Been asked to talk to you folks about how to make your grass grow fast. Well, three ingredients, let me correct myself. One, as you can see, I put some fertilizer down. This fertilizer is designed to make your grass grow fast, so you need that. You need water. I've watered this. And you need some sunshine. These three ingredients will make your grass grow fast. You can over-fertilize and you can over-water, so you do need to be careful on how much you put down. You could read the back of the package of your fertilizer, and it will tell you the different combinations of how fast you want your grass to grow. I like to see my grass really green and grow fast. It makes it look really healthy and flush, and it's really fun to sit on or lay on and look up at the sky. So what you want, like I said, fertilizer, water, and sunshine. And lots of water on that fertilizer. You don't want to burn the grass and do the opposite. And say you over-fertilize a little bit, just make sure you put enough water on it to compensate for that. And never fertilize without watering.